Hello, beautiful and amazing human beings out there. We have returned to Koh Ma. This time I brought my snorkeling mask and my snorkel tube, and we're going to snorkel this beautiful coral reef right here behind me, and hopefully we can see some fish. And I just had my first fall. It's I got my flip-flops on because, you know, the rocks are a little sharp here, but it is very slippery. I don't remember it being this difficult the last time I was here. I think I might be at the wrong spot. Maybe I should have went further down. But we're gonna try this again. But like, wow, oh my God. You gotta be really careful. It is so slippery here. And I've got to cross these rocks here to get into the water. So, find a way to crawl out here or something. Wow, I have no idea what all these things are called, but this is amazing. There's like a forest of coral things here, really trippy almost, and massive sea cucumbers everywhere. Wow, and we're literally 20 feet from the shore. So let's keep moving on, see what else we can find here. It definitely requires a little skill crossing, navigating these slippery rocks here. And I cannot stress enough how, oh boy, I almost went, how easy you could hurt yourself here. So you gotta be real careful when you come out here doing this. I definitely recommend some proper footwear for this one. And seems like a very easy way to fall and hurt your back, bust your butt, break an ankle maybe. So, slowly and carefully, the name of the game here. Let's go on in here real quick. I'm sure some other creatures probably turned this into his home by now. Just gonna visit here for a moment, hope you don't mind. Be a good place for a snake. I don't know, maybe I should reopen this bar. Just bring a cooler of beer with me and put a sign up, open for business. And here's the sandbar bridge that connects Koh Ma back to the main island. Very convenient to have a sandbar bridge like this where you can just walk across. So, let's walk it. About halfway there, and it's barely ankle deep, the water. So a very convenient sandbar bridge that allows you to cross all the way to the island up by foot. It's gorgeous over here. And there's a good view of the island of Koh Phangan right there. Koh Ma Beach. Okay, my pina colada has arrived. Little Singa emblem there. Haven't had one of these in a while, but here it goes. Wow, those really are good. Damn, forgot how good those are. Whoa. Maybe I'll have two.